Hello, Namaste, welcome to Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Myself, Dr. Bharti Mahanti, and now we are going to another new episode that is the herbal bath. The herbal bath which makes you to look young and beautiful. The skin releases the waste in the form of sweat, which consisting of oil, debris, and dead cells. So the regular bath keeps your skin fresh and healthy. The dead skin cells should be removed regularly by having bath. Proper bath will clean your minute pores, debris and dead cells. If you have eaten on time, slept on time and have enjoyed a great quality of sleep, then your body would have aggressively used your sleep time to repair itself. So when you wake up in the body, all the form of debris cleansing will be present on the skin. It is ready to be removed by the act of bath. So by removing the dead cells in the morning, you can set up yourself a great day. If you are not supposed to clean or remove these dead cells, you have to carry the load much longer, which impacts your whole day. As per Ayurveda, bath is energizing, refreshing and sleep inducing. And now coming to the benefits of proper herbal bath, helps in better thermoregulation. It helps in better thermoregulation. By using this herbal bath powders in your bath, it can make a huge difference in your sweating. Your sweating is more regular if it has been impaired before. Helps in reduction of excessive sweat and intense body odor. Reduction of excessive sweat helps in the reduction of intense body odor. Generally, the body odor is due to the vitiation of Pitta dosha. So, as we use the Pitta dosha balancing herbs in our formulations over time, people noticed a marked improvement in their intensity of body odor. Helps in the improvement of skin texture. Improvement of skin texture. For the dry skin, switching to the Ayurvedic herbal bath powder, which contain water balancing herbs without harsh surface scents, protects your skin from the dryness and helps to improve your skin texture. Enhances the digestive fire and regulates metabolism. This property enables us to digest our food properly. Aphrodisiac effect gives the sexual competence to an individual who has taken shower before sex. It enhances the performance and keeps us fresh throughout the act and helps us to enjoy maximum physically and mentally. Enhances the lifespan. It means to say that it feels a new energy and life in all cells. Herbal bath provides energy and strength. This achieved when the bath elevates the tiredness and fatigue and enabling an individual to get actively involved in the physical and mental activities. Now we are going to the process of herbal bath in 3 steps. Number 1, applying oil. Number 2, applying the herbal bath powder. And number 3, having the herbal bath in the herbal water. Number 1, oil bath. Oil bath is also called as Abhyanga Snana in Ayurveda. It is highly revered health technique from antiquity in India. It is also a custom to wait for a few minutes after applying the oil massage before going to bath to allow the oil to penetrate into the deeper tissues of your skin. And the oil is to be warmed before its use and it is applied vigorously with the massage strokes till the skin is saturated in the oil. Now let's see the list of oils which are used for the oil bath. Sweet almond oil suitable for all skin types, used to massage babies as well, released from conditions like dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, protects you from UV radiation, prevents tanning, sun damage, relaxes your muscles, having mild pain relieving properties. Organic coconut oil for youthful glowing skin, prevents premature aging of skin and protects skin from environmental pollution and stress. Organic coconut oil rich in vitamin E, which is skin friendly and gives you young healthy skin, prevents skin from wrinkling and sagging. Castor oil for arthritis, joint pains, nerve inflammation and sore muscles, increases immunity, boosts the circulation, used in irritated acne prone skin. Sesame oil for detoxing and repairing the skin, best of all oils for this reason, used in most of the Ayurvedic skin treatments as a base, protects from UV exposure, tanning, fine lines, sunspots, joint pains, hyperpigmentation. Olive oil relieves from muscle spasms, inflammation, swelling, aches. Excellent way to treat the dry skin, improves your blood circulation, protects the body from UV rays and harmful effects of pollution. Sunflower oil, not only used for cooking, helps in skin softening. You can try it by adding 2 vitamin E capsules, enhances the texture of your skin. It contains linoleic and oleic acids in high percentage, improves the skin moisture levels, clear all the toxins in your skin, prevents signs of aging, boosts the cell regeneration and rejuvenate your skin and leaves a glowing radiant skin. Jojoba oil, actually it is not an oil, it is a type of wax extracted from the seeds of jojoba plant. It is similar to the shea butter. It repairs the damage of skin caused due to eczema, dermatitis, acne, has many benefits for face and skin. Oil helps in treating dry, scaly, or acne prone skin. Oil is rich in vitamin E, treats the acne, fungal infections, warts, moles, inflammation, itchiness, redness, etc. Fights with the appearance of wrinkles of the skin by stimulating the collagen production and improves the elasticity. This helps your skin to stay as you age. More essential oils you can use with the above oils. Lavender oil for the mental relaxation. Ylang ylang oil for treating chronic fatigue. Lime essential oil for boosting immunity. Sweet basil essential oil for respiratory issues. Rose essential oil for hormonal balance. Orange essential oil for fighting aging. Number 2, herbal bath powder. 1 cup of chickpea or gram flour powder, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of amalaki powder, 1 tablespoon of tulsi powder, 1 tablespoon of neem powder, 1 tablespoon of dry lemon or orange peel powder. Take the all above ingredients in a bowl, mix them without lumps and store it. Herbal bath powder daily or weekly basis. But before that you have to apply the oil and let the skin absorb the oil. And now you can take the herbal bath powder, you can mix the milk or water into it, made it into a soft paste, apply all over your body and let it dry. And then wash it off. You not need to use the soap. If you want, you can use. Helps in removing pimples, blackheads, nourishes your skin, cures eczema, and helps in preventing many more skin diseases. 2. Cosmetic herbal bath powder. Half cup of rolled oats, half cup of dried calendula, half cup of dried chamomile, half cup of dried rose petals, 1 cup of Epsom salt, half cup of Rasol red clay, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 5 drops of rose essential oil, 5 drops of sandalwood oil. Take the all above ingredients in a bowl, mix them without lumps and store it. The cosmetic herbal bath powder can be used by adding milk into it. It can be used weekly once or monthly once. It moisturizes and nourishes the skin, soothes the sore muscles, used as a great relaxant, increases the softness of your skin, used in detoxification and toning your skin, improves your skin texture and beauty. Number 3, bath in herbal water. Bathing in herb infused water helps to reduce your stress, soothes your skin, and provides a relaxing spa like experience. You can choose the herbs for their specific therapeutic benefits: skin softening, soothing muscles, stimulating the circulation, or combating the infections. No matter which herb you select to infuse into your bath, just follow the guidelines for best results. Creating a herbal bath, take the loose herbs, make them into a sachet or a bag, tie it like a tea bag and dip it into the warm water. Do not use extreme hot waters. If you use extreme hot waters, it will dry your skin. Herbal bags, it helps in preventing the herbs to sticking your skin and clogging drains. Spend at least 10 minutes in the tub to enjoy the full benefits of the herbs which we used. Herbs which are used in the herbal bath. Chamomile bath, whisk away your stress, best helps in relaxing bath. Basil gives you stimulating and energizing bath. Eucalyptus, it clears your head congestion if you have cold or allergies. Then it is fantastic for oily skin and acne. Lavender, perfect for any type of bath, long lasting and relaxant. Lemon balm, best relaxing and stimulating due to its bright lemony scent. Rosemary, best relaxant in relieving congestion with cold and helps in body aches, pains to melt away. Sage helps in stimulating and relaxing bath. Calendula, it is soothing and healing herb, wonderful as a treatment for dry skin. Helps in kids' eczema, mosquito bites, stubborn diaper rash. Useful as a healing herb to soothe in the irritated skin and help healing the wounds. And what I am going to say is, Ayurvedic bath on other hand is an excellent daily rejuvenating, detoxifying and cleansing purificatory ritual done in every morning. Using herbs, lentils, grains and clays. There should be a gap of at least 30 to 45 minutes between the bath and eating, and bath should be done before eating. Because as per Ayurveda, the bath in the early morning increases or promotes the appetite and increases the digestive fire. Is not only for a single gender, both men and women can have the herbal bath. Take time for your herbal bath and enjoy the best results of it. And if you think the contents of the video are helpful, share to your near ones, subscribe for more videos. You can watch a new video on every Monday, Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Thank you for watching.